This doesn't work. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Nina, and in today's video I'm going to show you a bit of the work we are doing before Halloween. If you saw my last video, and as the background may give away, this year I'm going to do a Harry Potter themed Halloween. As you saw, my broomstick did not work, so I have to make another one. And of course, for those of you familiar with Harry Potter, I have to have a Nimbus 2000. I'm making floating candles, golden snitches, flying keys, and a lot of other things. So I thought I would take you along and show you a bit of what I have done, and then you will see everything put together in my Halloween house tour that will be coming in a couple of days. The time is running out. I know I'm late, but this has taken a lot of time, and we've had a bit of an issue with some of the things that we have been making. Much of what I have been making, I found inspiration on Pinterest, and I'm not going to steal anybody else's thunder, so I'm not showing you everything in detail, because I think you can go to the people that I got inspired from, so I'll be linking all the information below. But you will be seeing some of the work that we have been doing this last week. So today I am making my Dementors. I'm making two. My grandson is helping a bit. Again, I found the idea on Pinterest and a YouTube channel called Rebecca Beach. I will link the info below. So I will not show you step by step what I'm doing. If you're interested, you can go on her channel and watch. Yeah, I've bought these fake skeletons, or part of skeletons, so that's the only difference between how she's making it and how I'm making it. And I could not find starch, so I'm going to make glue when I put on the clothing on the Dementors. Hva skal vi gjøre i dag, Benjamin?
Lage Dementor!
Ja.
Hello!
Hello.
Good morning!
so now to the hanging candles. Originally we bought this plastic pipe and was going to use that. We had the choice between this dimension of type or this size of plastic pipe or a much wider one. So we went for this, and the plan was to carve out with a special machine that my husband have, carve out the plastic inside so that the candle would fit. So that was the original idea, but the machine didn't work. We couldn't get it to work. We made a few, but it's something wrong with the motor, so we had to find an alternative. And then I thought of these ready-made electric candles, battery operated LED candles, and these you get in all types. They are, at least in Norway, they are expensive. This cost 150 Norwegian kroner. That's about 15 pounds. About the same in dollars for two. So it's expensive. And in the candles that I have, there's metal inside of the wax, so I could not thread the fishing line through the candle. So what I did was that I glued the fish line, or taped the fish line inside, and I made the inside of the candle a bit wider so that it would be more tight, and I was able to hang it. So what I did was, and they fall down. I'm not going to lie, so I'll probably have to do this a few times to get it to stick, but and you probably can't see the fishing line, but I just taped the fishing line like this inside the candle, or to the inner inside of the candle. And then I also taped a piece of paper just to make it wider, so that when I put this back inside of the candle, it's a bit tight, so it won't fall. Like that. I think these are prettier and better than when you use toilet rolls or plastic pipes or whatever. But this is an expensive solution, and I could not make as many as I wanted. So Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the DIYs that we are doing here, preparing for our Harry Potter Halloween. I have done a lot more than what I showed you today, and when you see me again, the whole house will be tidied up. Right now it looks like a bomb has exploded here, but by then I will have been putting all of this together, and hopefully it will look like a real Harry Potter Halloween. I know that many of you said that you hadn't watched Harry Potter, or that Harry Potter wasn't quite your thing, and that's of course okay. Difficult for me to understand, because I think Harry Potter is just a genius thing. The imagination of J.K. Rowling is just out of this world, and yeah, I just love it. So I hope I'm step by step bringing you over to the wizarding world, and that I have made you curious. This is not sponsored in any way, shape or form. I wish. I don't know even if that's possible. If it is, that goes on my bucket list, to be sponsored in any way connected to Harry Potter. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm rambling. We have a lot of work ahead of us still, so I just have to crack on and keep working, and I'll see you again in a couple of days. So until then, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice week, and I'll see you again for my next video. Bye!